Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G53. For that you want to go ahead and look for your SIM card slot, and on this phone it's on the side here. So you can take your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip and put that in here, press a little bit and then take that out. In this phone, we have space for one SD card and one SIM card. And I'm gonna take my SIM card now and put that in the slot here. And then I'm gonna put the whole thing back in the phone. All right, and now we should put in our SIM pin, yep. Hope this is the right one. No, it wasn't. All right, so now we are back in the phone, and if we unlock it, you can see that we have signal here. And if we go to our settings, where are our settings, and then click on network and internet, we see Kongster here, which is our provider, and SIM cards, that we have one physical SIM in here. So you can now go ahead and make calls, send SMS or whatever else you can do with a SIM card. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.